20 signs your body is too acidic and 10 ways to quickly alkalize it. When the body is too acidic, it can create an environment in which bacteria, yeast, and illness thrive. An acidic body takes minerals from vital organs and bones in order to neutralize the acid and remove it from the body. This can reduce the body's mineral reserves such as magnesium, potassium, sodium, and calcium, thus leading to a damage that can go unnoticed for many years until it reaches unhealthy levels and cause acidosis. Because of this, many people experience osteoporosis. Your bones do not get the required minerals that are supposed to protect them, like magnesium, potassium, sodium, and calcium. A great number of people are consuming grains, dairy products, refined sugar, and meats, all of which are considered as acid-forming foods. Highly processed foods, alcohol, coffee, GMO oils, and GMO food, and sugar replacements are also highly acidic. Our body is constantly generating acidic waste products from the metabolism. So, those waste products need to be neutralized or eliminated somehow. It is recommended to supply the body with more alkaline foods in order to neutralize the constant acid generation. 20 health problems caused by mild acidosis. Chest pain, excess mucus/phlegm, sinus issues, chronic cough, osteoporosis, chronic fatigue, reduced mental clarity, neurological conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and dementia, bladder and kidney infections, cardiovascular damage caused by acidic plagues, increased risk of heart attack and stroke, skin issues like eczema, acne, rashes, and dermatitis of all types, immune deficiency, weight gain and/or obesity, stomach issues including bloating, indigestion, acid reflux, and excess gas, diabetes, candida and yeast infections, joint pain and aching muscles, allergies, cavities and sensitive gums, sciatica and stiff neck. Why doesn't the body just adjust its pH? When the body becomes too acidic, it takes alkaline-forming elements from the digestive system, enzyme from the small intestine, which creates less than optimal environment for proper digestion. This is the reason why dietary intake that is highly acidic can lead to numerous diseases and disorders. How to improve your alkalinity? Check your pH regularly. Remove acidic foods, foods like soda, popcorn, dairy, pastries, alcohol, coffee, white vinegar, sweeteners, meat, wheat products, eggs, fish, soy and seafood are higher acid forming. Drink plenty of water. Drinking lemon water can help balance acid levels. 2. Consume green juices or smoothies. Avoid processed foods. Replace dairy milk with almond or coconut milk. Use lettuce leaves and collard greens as wraps. Eliminate coffee, sugars, and soda. Make sure to replace them with herbal coffee, green drinks, and herbal tea. Your emotional state also affects the pH of your body. Jealousy, resentment, fear, and anger can produce acidity of the body fluids. In order to relieve your stress, you can try yoga and meditation. Replace a traditional lunch with a large green salad,